Hello everyone, I'm Jiram and today I'll teach you how to make ladyfinger, to make tiramisu fresh baked at home. Well, there are 5 simple steps to bake ladyfinger, and baked at home they are soft like an airy, just like sponge cake. My family favorite dessert is tiramisu, so I'm running out of ladyfinger cookies most of the time. The ladyfinger used for dessert tiramisu or shallot cake, soaking with lots of liquor flavor syrup. Now let me walk you through the steps. First, you will separate the egg, 12 egg yolk and 7 egg whites, and other ingredients following are 150 grams of bubble flour, 100 grams cornstarch, 75 grams white sugar used for egg yolks, 100 grams of white sugar used for egg whites. The next second step is, now you have the separate egg yolk. Add the yolks into the bowl and add in the white sugar. Mix the yolk and the sugar until the sugar dissolves or well combined. For the egg white, in the bowl of a stand mixer, I add egg whites and add in the white sugar. Use the balloon whip and whip the egg whites like a meringue. It's white and glossy. And next step is folding the flour into the mixture. And when the meringue is ready, lower the speed down and sprinkle the cornstarch to the meringue. And let the machine run in a high speed for 1 to 2 seconds and no longer than that. With the balloon whisk or using spatula, gently pour the egg yolk into the meringue and the cornstarch. Then fold the flour into the batter and use a spatula or a whisk to fold the flour into 2 additions. I use the balloon whisk of the machine, scraping on the side of the bowl and scraping down to the bowl, and turn the bowl at the same time while folding to make sure they are all incorporated or well combined. And step 4 is the fun step. Piping. I use large piping tip. I lock the tip with the piping bag so it won't dripping down to the floor while I'm pouring the batter. For the piping tip, you can use any size. If you use the smaller size, it will give you a long, skinny finger. I'd like to use a large piping tip today, 5 into 4 inch long, on the baking tray, like with parchment paper or baking silicone mat. I pile them next each other and they will spread and stick together after baking. I like to save my time and stay on the tray like this way. There's another way. The quick way is to spread the butter on the tray like that and bake and cut into individual size. And the last step is baking. I bake my ladyfinger at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. It depends on the heat of the oven. So sprinkle the icing sugar before bake, or you can skip it. No need sugar, no problem. And that's it. My next extra step is making tiramisu. Well, it's done. Yeah, I like this recipe. It's quite simple. They are soft like airy and turn out better than store-bought. They are absorb the liquid pretty good. You can let them air dry on the tray overnight or use right after they are cooling down. They are stay good in the fridge for a week. And by the way, I cleaned the oven. I cleaned the oven door for a few days ago. There are 5 layers of glassware in between the oven door. Oh my god, this delicate work. Thanks for watching and let me know if you try it. If you like to see how I make them equal size nicely for decoration, that will be on another video. And until next time, bye.